friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am taking you through Lambertville, New Jersey. There are so many amazing antique shops and we're gonna hit up a bunch of them. I'm gonna show you prices, let you know what to expect, tell you which ones you can get a deal at, a steal at, and which ones are more for inspiration or for those with a bigger budget. So let's get hunting and see what we come out with. I'm also gonna be showing a haul at the end, so stay tuned. Let's go. $195 for this antique marble mortar and pestle. This room is a much more mid-century feeling if you're into that. These 4 dining chairs are $925 for the set. I love this section because it's all gardening things and I'm obsessed. Iron urns and planters, these are $1,400 for the pair. If you need a fountain, this one's $3,800. $950. The chandelier is $495. Honestly, I love this mirror. I think it would be so fun in a more eclectic space, and it's $125. Hi, how are you? $135 for this bee's nest, cool sculptural piece. $68 for this carved and gilded scones. Such a cool bar cart. $259. Got these cool wheels too. This is the scariest thing I've ever seen. This is super cool. It's a vintage French iron lattice planter. So unique and different. Would make such a beautiful centerpiece. And it's $145. $225 for the pair of these bronze wall sconces. I love these, but I'm not obsessed with the bow. This is a really cool piece. Handkerchief clear vase, $85. Not bad. This cloche is $35, and there's lots of silver pieces. This vase is $25. This one's $68. $25 for the pair. Somebody come and get this. It's for sale for $900. I know it's a good chunk of money, but this is hand-painted armoire circa the 1850s. Like, it's gorgeous. I love it. Okay, it's a $150 for both of these pieces. They're composite, so they're not super heavy, but honestly, I just love the look. Should I get it for my garden? Okay, I love this antique shoe rack here. I'm not a big rustic person, but I imagine if you want to add a little bit of warmth to your kitchen, make a little French country feel, this is a great way to do it. Put all your pretty dishes on it and all your pretty glassware to make it feel a little more elevated. Love. This Florentine tray is especially beautiful. I love the little pop of red. Okay, first stop was at the People Store. Very successful. The prices here range. There's things that are, pretty expensive and downstairs. The downstairs level is definitely more expensive. Although I did find one thing downstairs. Upstairs and downstairs, there's definitely better deals. That's where the lower price vendors are. So make sure to check those out. But came away with some good deals and some beautiful things, so hopefully that helps. And now let's go to the next one. $165, $325, $425. This one's $395, oil on canvas. This shop also is more affordable, but it's smaller and there's a lot of lighting, so lots of chandeliers to look through, which if you're looking, that's something, and also lots of glassware. So I haven't found anything that's really caught my eye yet, but the prices are more reasonable. Oh, this is actually so beautiful. Oh, these are gorgeous. 28, I think it's 28 each, but these are just Stunning. Okay, Bridge Street Antiques. Good prices overall. Also, look how cute. Like, this area is just the cutest, so... Truly, Lambertville is the cutest area. If you come on a weekend, go to the flea market in the morning, Golden Nugget, which we've shown on our channel before. Go to the antique shops, grab a bite to eat, walk across the bridge to New Hope. It's like the perfect weekend activity. You're welcome. So this shop we're about to go into has a lot of garden decor, especially on the outside and in the back. Most of these medium-sized pieces are between like $100 to $200. The bigger ones get a little pricier, just to give you an idea. But let's go inside and see what we find. These French sconces are $4.95 for the pair. I don't like the shade, but I love the lamp. It's $2.45. $3.95. $5.95 for this bench. $4.95. This place is packed, truly packed to the brim with antiques. But lots of gorgeous things, just like truly you can't even, two people can't pass through, like you have to tuck to the side. It's definitely more high end, you're gonna be spending more money, but lots of beautiful treasures to be found if you have a little more money to spend. It has 3 floors and I'm kind of scared to go upstairs because it's like so packed. But we'll see. Also, it's right by the river, so pretty. $9.75. This mirror is $5.95. $1,500. Okay, this is amazing, and it's an antique marble Italian lamp. It's huge. It's $3.95, but he's willing to do deals. He said he's doing a sale right now. I'm sure he's just indefinitely doing a sale. This is $1.95. This alabaster lamp. This is a cool piece. Pretty ornate, but really cool, and it's $3.95. I wish you could just like, I want to like separate this from this. So many beautiful lamps. They're all like in the $200 range, $200 to $300 range. Up here, I mean, they've got alabaster lamps galore. This one's really pretty. It's a column lamp, $4.95. Oh, and this mirror is gorgeous. It does have a crack right here, but I think it's so beautiful. There's a few other antique shops here, but they're more high-end. So we've got Antiques with a Mission here, right behind me. And then we've got one over here. So it looks like this antique shop is closed, but it's definitely higher end. You might have to make an appointment. Okay, I drove 10 minutes down the road and I'm here at another antique shop. It is in the cutest old church. So quaint and cute. Let's see what we find. $5.85. This table is amazing. It's $14.50. Got this cool hand-painted base. I love this painting. It's $3.95. It's oil on canvas. Also, I need to get lines and display them because look at that beautiful pop of green. This is a really cool piece. $4.65, not bad. Okay, you guys, it has been a beautiful morning antiquing, and now we're gonna go home and I'm gonna show you my haul. The fun part about this is that I often am like, wait, what did I get? And then it's like Christmas morning. I'm like, oh, I forgot I got this. I forgot I got that. So let's see. Friends, we are back and I am gonna show you my haul. As always, I'm saving the best for last. Let's get right into it. If you've been around for a while, you know I love me some Florentine trays, and I've been trying to be very selective with my Florentine trays. I just think like you could serve cookies on a simple white plate, or you could serve it on a beautiful wooden hand-painted tray like this. You pick. This is a really cool piece. I saw this, and first of all, I love the scallop detail. I just imagine using flower frogs and doing some really cool flower arrangement in this. I think it's such an amazing vessel. I'm also trying to branch out and not just get vases, but get like bowls that I think would be beautiful for flower arrangements. And this is one of those. I love the color of it. Super fun. Is it actually a Tesori home antique haul if there's not some gilt candle sconces in there? These things find me, guys. They call to me. I love these. These are made in France. It's stamped right on the back. They're gorgeous, they're heavy, and they're really hurting my hands out. They're perfect, and they're coming to the shop soon. As always, if you want to be notified when these pieces come to our shop, make sure to sign up for our newsletter through the link down below at tesorihome.com, and you will be notified when they drop. Ow! When I saw this, I thought it was the sweetest little jar ever. It was a tobacco jar, but I think that it would be so great to use in a bathroom for Q-tips, for hair ties, jewelry. To keep or to sell, that is the question. While we're on Wedgwood, these little framed intaglios, they're Wedgwood like intaglios, I guess that's what you would call them. I love the coloring on they have this velvet backing, and they've got this olive green and then this like marigold color, and those are two of my favorite colors, and they go so well together. We got another pair of hefty, I believe they're bronze candle sconces, and then it has like this rope detailing on the actual candlestick part, which is really fun. 3 more pieces to go. I've got this little onyx bud vase. This one's super beautiful, love the shape and little pop of green. Cute. This mirror made in Italy. I love the green and gold together. It's just so beautiful. Such a pretty accent mirror, and the detailing is really quite beautiful. And last but not least, you might be surprised by this piece, but this is something that I've been looking for a while. I've seen other vintage shops on Instagram that have had this in their shop, and I've looked at it and been like, I love that. I want to find one. And I have. It's like a snail shell vase. It's so heavy. It's bronze. It's got these little feet, and it's just gorgeous. It's unexpected. It's quirky. I mean, this with a beautiful flower arrangement in it would be so. Oh, it echoes. Hello. Can you hear that? Hello. Anyways, this piece is so cool and so quality, and it's coming to the shop soon. I want to know what your favorite piece is from this haul, and if you're someone who is looking to refine your eye, if you want to learn how to source vintage and antique pieces at the right price, get extended home tours from our Design Within Reach series, and so much more exclusive content, make sure to head over to tesorihome.com, check out our membership that we're offering there. We're teaching you all things design, and there's such a fun community of people on there, and it's just a great place to learn and grow. So if that interests you, make sure to check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let us know what you think. See you in the next one.